Important question No10. Features of National Population Policy 2000 in India. Society, Culture and Human Behavior. Important Questions and Answers Series Part 10. Features of National Population Policy 2000 in India. The National Population Policy, NPP, 2000 in India marked a significant shift in the country's approach to population management. Instead of focusing solely on birth control targets, it adopted a holistic, rights-based, and voluntary approach, integrating population stabilization with broader socio-economic development. Features of the National Population Policy 2000. Shift to a target-free approach. Moved away from numerical targets for contraceptive adoption, e.g., specific numbers of sterilizations, which had sometimes led to coercive practices in the past. Emphasized informed choice and voluntary acceptance of family planning methods. Holistic approach to reproductive and child health, RCH, recognized that population stabilization is intrinsically linked to improvements in health indicators, particularly for mothers and children. Integrated family planning services with comprehensive RCH programs, including reducing infant mortality rate, IMR, aimed to bring IMR below 30 per 1,000 live births. Initial target by 2010. Features of National Population Policy 2000 in India. Reducing maternal mortality ratio, MMR, aimed to bring MMR below 100 per 100,000 live births. Initial target by 2010. Universal immunization. Achieving universal immunization of children against all vaccine-preventable diseases. Emphasis on socioeconomic determinants. Education. Made school education free and compulsory up to 14 years of age, and aimed to reduce dropout rates for both boys and girls below 20%. Education, especially for girls, is seen as a key factor in delaying marriage and reducing fertility. Empowering women. Highlighted women's empowerment as central to population stabilization, including increasing female literacy, improving their health status, and enhancing their decision-making power regarding family size. Delayed marriage. Advocated for delaying marriage for girls, not earlier than 18 years, and preferably after 20 years of age. Features of National Population Policy 2000 in India. Decentralized planning and implementation. Stressed the crucial role of local self-government bodies, Panchayati Raj institutions and urban local bodies, in planning and implementing family welfare programs at the grassroots level. This aimed to make programs more responsive to local needs. Convergence of services. Promoted better coordination and convergence among various health, nutrition, and development programs at the village and community levels to ensure comprehensive service delivery and maximize impact. Public awareness and education, IEC, emphasized robust information, education, and communication, IEC, campaigns using various media to disseminate messages about the small family norm, reproductive health, and family planning methods, tailored to local contexts and dialects. Features of National Population Policy 2000 in India. Focus on underserved groups. Special attention was given to meeting the needs of specific vulnerable and underserved population groups, including urban slum dwellers, tribal communities, hill area populations, and adolescents. Promoted increased participation of men in Planned Parenthood. Addressing adolescent health. Recognized the unique reproductive and sexual health needs of adolescents and aimed to provide them with necessary information, counseling, and services. Thank you.